Okay, good morning everyone. Don't know the boy Android OS back for the next video. Um in the last video that I do yesterday, which some people was having issues say that was a bug error when I'm trying to import the update config, which I fixed that this morning. So all you guys need to do is go on my YouTube channel, which I will be leaving the link in the description. Yeah, or you can go on my Telegram channel. The APK app is posted there. So all you need to do is go there and click the link in the description. Yeah, so I will be leaving the link in the description. So let's go below and just do anything. So I'm out. Have a great day.